Hello and welcome to today's instructional video. In this video, we will be solving an equation to find the value of the variable x. The equation we will be working with is x divided by 7 plus 2 equals 3. We will go step by step to isolate the variable x and find its value. So let's get started with solving this equation. To begin solving for the variable, the equation given is x divided by 7 plus 2 equals 3. The first step in solving this equation is to isolate the term containing the variable x. We do this by eliminating the addition of 2. To eliminate the plus 2, we perform the opposite operation, which is subtraction. So, subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. This keeps the equation balanced, as whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. Starting with the equation, x divided by 7 plus 2 equals 3. Subtract 2 from the left side and subtract 2 from the right side. This gives us x divided by 7 plus 2 minus 2 equals 3 minus 2. On the left side, plus 2 minus 2 equals 0, so it simplifies to x divided by 7. On the right side, 3 minus 2 equals 1, so it simplifies to 1. Now we have the new simplified equation, x divided by 7 equals 1. By subtracting 2 from both sides, we have successfully isolated the term with the variable x. Now that we have the equation x divided by 7 equals 1, our goal is to isolate the variable x. The term with the variable x is currently being divided by 7. To isolate x, we need to undo this division by using the opposite operation, which is multiplication. To eliminate the division by 7, we multiply both sides of the equation by 7. This keeps the equation balanced, ensuring that whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. Starting with the equation, x divided by 7 equals 1. Multiply the left side by 7 and multiply the right side by 7. This gives us x divided by 7 times 7 equals 1 times 7. On the left side, dividing by 7 and then multiplying by 7 cancels out, leaving us with x. On the right side, 1 times 7 equals 7. Now we have the simplified equation, x equals 7. By multiplying both sides by 7, we have successfully isolated the variable x and solved for it. Therefore, the value of x is 7. This completes the solution to the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.